Today I will discuss write 5 sentences about your summer vacation for 9 and 10 class students. Okay, how to write 5 sentences about your summer vacation. And I have made here some sentences for you, and you can also you can also make some sentences about your best friend, relating with him or her, and based on your daily activities with your best friend. Okay, then let's see the sentences. Summer vacation is when school takes a break. We can go the beach, build sandcastles, and swim in the ocean. Ice cream and watermelon taste yummy when it's hot outside. I like to ride my bike and play outside with my friends during summer. When the stars come out, we can look for fireflies and have campfires in the backyard.